He was born in the summer of his 27th year, coming home to a place he'd never been. Left yesterday behind him. You might say he was born again. Might say he found peace again. When he first came to the mountains, his life was far away. All the road hanging by a song. But the thing's already broken and he doesn't really care. He's changing fast, it don't last for long.
Are you gonna be around?
Colorado, Rocky Mountain High.
All done.
I've seen it rain and fire in the sky. Shadow from the starlight, softer than a lullaby.
We got one question. Are you ready? Are you ready? Would you give a big Leadville, Colorado welcome to your race director, Merilee? While you're saying that welcome, say a big thank you to the over 700 volunteers that will be out there this year. I wouldn't be Leadville without the official welcome. Please say hello to the Mayor of Leadville, the Honorable Bud Elliott. Mr. Mayor. Thank you. And especially thanks to each and every one of you who have come here again and again and again. And some of you, I'm sure, are here for the first time, but I know lots of these faces that I've been seeing for the 10 or 12 years that I've been helping to announce with these races and help in other ways. These races, these Trail 100 races, are one of the biggest economic drivers in our community, and for that I thank you. Dr. Tom Maino, big thank you to Dr. Tom, please.
Good morning. I am Dr. Tom Maino. This is Dr. John Hill here. We're the medical director. We have a group of nurses, search and rescue people, EMTs, all sorts of people take care of you during the race, and we're backed up by a medical system with ambulance crews, helicopters, and 3 hospitals that know that you might get hurt.
Men, 50 to 59, there are 114.
We got 23 minutes bang on mark.
Is it okay?
Well, I got
23 minutes. So you getting a shot there? Okay, right over here. Over here, Ohio Mike. In T Canada. Here we go on to say we're ready. We train. I don't know about you, but I trained for 7 months. I'm ready.
7 months, yeah.
And I'm going to trust to let the body just make it happen. It's going to happen. We're going to have fun. Enjoy it. Yeah, we're going to have fun. We're going to have fun.
And see you at the finish.
See you at the finish. Okay, you got it.
I would tell Bill that I told the Canadians about the beers.
Right.
He doesn't think we're ripping him off.
Although it's not my normal brand.
Hostel.
Yeah, that's it.
Owner's the best place in the country.
Oh, yeah.
Seriously. Here we go. In the country.
That's right.
In the country. In the country. What about Canada? No, that's North America then. Oh, okay. Best hostel in North America. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, you'll be on in my photo gallery for sure. No, Jacquie, it's in the car. Oh, yeah.
One last word. You're better than you think you are. You can do more than you think you can. We want to see you here at the finish. Are you ready? Are you ready? A minute and a half. When we get down to the seconds, the mayor's going to have you count down. Have a great race. spectators and family that came out to help us get this started.
Good work.
Bill? Keep shooting, keep shooting.
Elwyne's coming, Elwyne's coming.
Okay.
67.
You have to go out over there.
Somebody call it the 338 drop dead.
Take this over here first.
Drop it. I'll pick it up.
Yeah, Jim had it.
So it'll be
Here comes Elwyne.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Way to go, Elwyne!
We'll see.
We'll see all this.
Good for you.
Awesome. Very nice.
Come on, Mike! Yeah!
Way to go, Mike! All right, Mike, looking great. Awesome.
Here we are, Mike.
Okay, where's the stuff?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
buddy.
All right.
Okay, cool.
Okay, what do you need? Tell me.
Is Jason here?
No.
Do you have the red bag?
No, I don't have anything.
Okay.
Jacquie, this stuff, Jacquie, regularly.
Okay, you made up some time here. Can you put that regular way?
I was down with Bill Picklinger on Sugarloaf for a while.
Flip it inside out so you can put it back on again.
Did you get something to dry or a towel?
Are they all good?
Oh yeah, three's good in the water still.
Okay, and you want a towel. Get your nose there. Yeah.
Oh yeah, maybe you better put some stuff on it. Yeah.
Oh yes, for sure.
Okay,
All right.
This one first.
Yeah.
Just gonna line up this right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, here we go. All right, guys, let's have some fun today.
You having fun?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's good fun. It's coming down. Yeah. Oh jeez.
Did you eat anything up in there?
Yeah. Oh, lots of. Oh, this has to be tighter. I think I'm starting to.
Hang on, I'm gonna hold up.
Well, where do I get my? Okay.
I want to know what you ate in there.
Here comes Bill.
Watermelon.
Yeah.
And no solid, no solid fish.
Because I had. Okay, got it now. I had
Here comes Bill.
Maybe I'll take one.
Hey, Bill.
Bill, put that in there. Hey, Bill.
Okay, what is
Grace.
it's not going down?
No, it's okay. Well, can you put it in here? Just leave it in that package. Yeah. Well.
It says sunblock.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay, so you're gaining speed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I
need
think
to take it easy.
Oh yeah, I'm doing good.
Hey, you need to take it easy.
Okay, good. Okay, I don't know about that coat if I need it or not.
Okay,
No.
look straight at me.
I don't think I need the coat. I don't think you will.
Okay.
Okay, if it's good.
Just
Okay, get that solid food.
Wait a
Get
minute,
that
on your
solid
cheek.
fit.
So are you.
Way to go, Michael!
All right, Leadman.
You need anything? Got everything?
Looking good, man.
Okay.
Thank you. Here's one too.
Okay. Yeah, good.
You may not want it, but I'm going to try it anyway.
Yeah. Oh, look at this guy here is just going to the place.
Hey guys.
Looking good, man.
Thanks.
Take the peanut butter with you over the...
Huh?
Get eat. Way to go. Way to go, guys.
I know you didn't want a movie of me. Thanks for your support. Hey gang, hi gang. I got it. Feeling good.
Oh, good.
Good job, Mike.
How you doing?
Oh, thanks, man.
Now, do you want shoes changed? Go right over here.
No,
Right here.
I just want yogurt. Just yogurt.
Yeah, I am.
Just yogurt and a cigarette.
We'll look at it. 15 minutes, 11. Okay.
Good pace. Is it? 11:30 you came in. The target was 11:15.
But, you know, again, same situation. I'm catching everybody on the hills.
Yeah.
They just dying. And geez, the worst part is flats for me.
Yeah.
I just love going down and of course up. It's Gallon-taught training. Gallon-taught training, that's what it is.
That's right.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So hopefully the stomach goes so I can eat it because I'm strong.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of just getting food down. That's the key.
Yeah.
Yeah, just walk up to the back over here to get it. It's in the back of the van. Annabelle? In the back of the van? Yeah. When do you want it for...
Yeah. Glasses.
I don't know, I don't want both glasses. Yeah, I'll leave them.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Glasses, they look good, okay. I don't think so. Okay, one more, that's good, you guys.
And you can walk with those.
Well, no, I have to, are you guys gonna put everything around me?
Yep, yes, as you go. So you can walk up that way when the van will
Okay.
take you.
Where's his water?
Pardon?
Where's the water bill?
We got it right here.
You guys go to the van. Yep.
So do you have what you...
Later on they come through here.